In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide PowerPoint slides. Microsoft PowerPoint is a vital tool used worldwide for presenting ideas, concepts, and information in a structured and visually appealing way. Whether you're in the corporate world, academia, or anywhere that presentations are utilized, PowerPoint is often the go-to software. However, there are nuances and features within PowerPoint that even regular users might not be fully aware of. One such useful feature is the ability to hide specific slides from the slideshow. This can be particularly handy when you have slides that are not relevant to a specific audience, but you want to keep them in the file for future reference or for a different audience. To embark on this journey, the first step, of course, is to open your Microsoft PowerPoint application. This either involves clicking on the PowerPoint icon on your desktop, finding it in your start menu, or maybe even opening it from your taskbar if you have it pinned there for convenience. Once you have PowerPoint open, you are met with the opening screen. This screen is essentially your gateway to all your PowerPoint documents. You might see recent documents on this screen, or you may need to click on Open to navigate to where your document is saved. So let's proceed to open the file you're going to work on. You could be working on a presentation for a meeting, a lecture for your students, or maybe a pitch for potential clients. Regardless of its purpose, it's likely you've got this file stored in a place you can easily access. So navigate there, click on the file, and open it. Now that your presentation is open in front of you, with all its slides listed down the side or in the slide sorter view, your next action is to identify the slide or slides you wish to hide. Remember, hiding slides doesn't delete them, it simply keeps them from being shown during the presentation. This is useful for customizing presentations for different audiences without having to create multiple versions of the same file. To hide a slide, you'll need to right-click on it. In PowerPoint, right-clicking offers a context-sensitive menu, giving you options directly related to the object or area you've clicked on. In this case, by right-clicking on a slide, you're accessing a menu that offers several options specifically for managing that slide. Among the options presented, you'll see Hide Slide. This option might not grab your attention on a regular day, but today it's exactly what you need. Clicking on Hide Slide will do just that, hide the slide. This doesn't mean your slide is gone, rather it's simply rendered invisible in the slideshow view. You'll know which slides are hidden because they'll be marked with a distinctive icon or a different appearance in the slide sorter or the slides pane on the left. Now let's talk about why and when you might want to hide slides. Suppose you have detailed slides that are great for reference, but could derail the flow of your presentation if shown to your audience. Or imagine you have slides tailored to different segments of your audience, and you only want to present the most relevant ones. By hiding slides, you can tailor your presentation without removing slides, ensuring you have a versatile document ready for various contexts. Ultimately, hiding slides in your PowerPoint presentation is a simple yet incredibly effective way of managing your presentation's flow without having to delete or significantly alter your original file. This trick keeps your presentation versatile and adaptable, whether you're preparing for different audiences or just wanting to streamline your message for clarity and impact. Remember, PowerPoint is a robust tool filled with features designed to make your presentations as effective and efficient as possible. Taking the time to learn these features, like hiding slides, can significantly enhance your ability to communicate effectively through your presentations. And that's it for today's tutorial on how to hide PowerPoint slides. Whether you're preparing for a big conference, a classroom lecture, or a small team meeting, knowing how to manage your slides effectively can make all the difference in delivering a powerful, tailored presentation.